IoT versus webhooks. Which one is better? Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you IoT versus webhooks, which one is best and which one you should use. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with IoT, which stands for Internet of Things. IoT is mainly used when physical devices like sensors, smart appliances, cameras, or machines are connected to the internet and communicate with each other. It allows real-time data collection and automation. For example, smart home systems, industrial monitoring, or wearable health devices all rely on IoT technology. One big advantage here is real-time monitoring. Devices continuously send data without manual action. Another strong point is automation. Devices can respond automatically based on sensor data. IoT also works great for large-scale systems like smart cities or factory automation. It supports hardware integration, meaning real-world devices can interact with software platforms. Plus, it enables remote control and tracking from anywhere. Now let's come towards webhooks. Webhooks are completely software-based and are used for communication between apps or online services. Instead of constantly checking for updates, one app instantly sends data to another when a specific event happens. For example, when you receive a payment notification, a webhook instantly informs another platform automatically. Webhooks are lightweight and easy to set up since no hardware is required. They work instantly through event-based triggers, making them efficient and fast. Another benefit is lower cost because they only involve software communication. They integrate easily with APIs and automation tools. Also, they're perfect for workflows like notifications, payments, and app integrations. Choosing between IoT and webhooks depends on your specific needs, whether you're working with hardware ecosystems or software integrations. That's all for the video.